EPA WA meteorologist Bobby Martich here with your outlook for the weekend of March 22nd and 23rd, 2025. We have a cold front that's going to be moving toward the region today. A little bit of a milder turn ahead of it, except for far interior areas, which will struggle to get out of the lower 50s. But you see the temperature spread above me, 52 to 62. 62 is going to be in areas southeast of I-95 and somewhere in between for those in-between areas. We do have a partly to mostly cloudy day with a slight chance for a shower at two different times today as this cold front associated with this low up to the north is moving through. Not much, just a quick passing shower on both occasions. And we can see that here on the NAM High Res Future Simulator radar. I'm going to start this off at 11 a.m. You see there's a little bit of a line of showers. This would just be a brief line moving through during the afternoon from west to east. Just a quick light shower with that in a few spots. A little bit better chance with the actual cold front as this moves through late afternoon and early evening. But some areas might still get missed entirely by this as it moves to the south and east. It's just a quick shower and then it's done. So it won't be too disruptive today. And then mostly clear in the wake of this, and it will be colder overnight. But before that, once the cold front moves in, we are going to have another windy spell, but this is not going to be as long duration as yesterday was, but similar in wind speeds, 20 to 30 miles per hour, some peak gusts in the lower to middle 30s over a 6-hour period as this moves through. And you can see that right here as this moves through. Once we get to about midnight or so, this goes away. So it'll just generally be late afternoon and evening as the cold front itself is moving through that you get some gusts, generally 20 to 30 miles per hour, some lower 30s, low to mid 30s in terms of peak gusts at any one given location over a 4 to 6 hour period until when it moves through. But then after that, it dies off after midnight, and there's no wind to speak of here on Sunday. So Sunday is going to be a partly sunny to partly cloudy day, starting off mostly sunny in the morning and then partly cloudy in the afternoon. It'll be colder. Temperatures are going to be stuck in the 40s for most of you. 50 would be our southeastern areas. You see above me 46 to 50 is the temperature spread. That is slightly below average now for this time of year because our average highs are now in the 50 to 55 degree range across our region. So we are anything in the 40s is going to be slightly below average at this point. Okay, so we should be a little bit warmer than that. But it is temporary. Go back to near average here on Monday. But we do have another system moving at us that's going to give us a few showers late Sunday night. This will be after midnight Sunday night this comes in, so your Sunday's fine. You don't have to worry about anything or any outdoor activities here on Sunday, although it will be chilly. But then it does, this cold front moves through from late Saturday night, or late Sunday night into Monday morning. It'll be most prevalent across I-95 and point southeast as far as rainfall and any concentration of rainfall going out throughout the day. The rest of you won't be seeing too much in the interior, okay? Just whatever you get. A little bit you get from Sunday night into Monday morning, and that's it. Afternoon, it will still be ongoing in our eastern areas on Monday. So those areas definitely need it. Still part of the drought area, so this will certainly help. And then in the wake of this on Tuesday, temperatures are very similar. We're still in the near average area of generally low to mid 50s for highs. Partly cloudy skies here on Tuesday. And then rounding the base of the trough here, there's a trough that's situated off to the south, which is sitting right like this. There's a little short wave that's going to ride along that boundary, and we have to keep an eye on this. But right now, latest guidance is keeping this primarily south of the region here, where just the southern areas will get grazed across Maryland, Delaware, far southern New Jersey. We did keep, even though it's showing that, we did keep a very low chance for shower further north because it could certainly change. It's just going to depend on that trough orientation and where it is. But we are going to have a slightly below average temperatures going into the Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday time frame of next week. And then once we get past this system here, we're going to start warming up as we get to the end of the week and then heading into next weekend. It looks like it's going to be back into the 60s again by the time we get to Saturday and Sunday, well into the 60s, in fact. But it is going to be dry. It looks like Friday through at least Saturday, and then Saturday night into Sunday we have another system moving at us that could bring us some showers along a cold front. That's not going to be until next Sunday, so we got a long time before that comes. So the first one we're looking at here is this system here on, well, obviously today's system on Saturday, but then with the this next cold front on Monday is going to be the next one we're going to be watching here in the week ahead. I'm EPA WA meteorologist Bobby Martich. That is your outlook for this weekend, March 22nd and 23rd, 2025. Have a great Saturday and Sunday.